Nag-record ko ha, nag-record. Cognito. Okay, we have JX Cognito User Pool here, and we have Identity Pool here. Right, so we want to use this app integration. This is our client ID. At first, let's follow the instruction here. Let's install the Amplify. That got installed, and now we want to add this in our app environment, which we don't have yet. So we're going to add environments here, ng generate environments, and this is our environment where we want to put our Cognito. Can we format this? Yep, we can format that. And then let's go to our app integration. So this is our client ID. Let's put it here in our client ID. And then our user pool ID is, what's our user pool ID? Our user pool ID is this one here. We're going to put that one in here. And then let's also add this here. Right, so next is we want to how to do this one. Change the src polyfills.ts. This configuration is required starting with, but we don't have this in Angular 16. So how do we add this? Okay, so let's see here. Go to Bard. How to implement polyfills? What's that? Polyfills? Polyfills? Say tawag nila polyfills? Polyfills. How to implement polyfills in Angular 16. So I can implement this one here. Like that. Gusto by you and your moving in a beat to make my life complete. So create a file called polyfills.ts in the src directory of your Angular project. Add the following code to the polyfills.ts. Then open your project's angular.json file and add the following code to the scripts array in architecture section. Open the project's angular.json file and add the following code to the scripts array. Run. No, the line is necessary to ensure that global variables are accessible to Angular application. So what does ChatGPT told us? As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Angular has not yet reached version 16. Polyfills are used to add missing browser features to ensure that your Angular application works consistently across different browsers. Here's how you can implement polyfills in Angular. In your Angular project, you typically have a polyfills.ts file in the src directory. This file is used to import and configure polyfills. Do we have a polyfill here? No. No, we don't have a polyfill. Polyfill. But in our Angular, there's a Angular.json. There should be a polyfill here. So where's this zone.js? Okay, so what's this? Um, Install polyfill library. Depending on your application's requirements and the browser you want to support, you may need to install additional polyfill libraries. For example, if you want to support older browsers, you can blah 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 blah. Configure. Uh, let's see here. So create a file called polyfills.ts. Okay. So let's copy that. Go to our src and then create a file called polyfill.ts and then put all of this code here, and in our Angular the .json, this one, uh, go to add the following code to the scripts array in Angular build options, scripts. So this scripts here, this, right, like that. And open your project's angular.json file and add the following code to the scripts array and architect test options. So go to architect. Oh, where's our architect? Architect. Oh, this one here is architect. Then architect test. Where's our test? Test. Serve. Extract test. Options and then polyfills. Right. So it already got the zone testing, so we can remove this. But I'm not sure about this core. But in our build, we added in the scripts. Maybe we'll just follow that. Okay, so that's it. Polyfills here. This one here is the scripts, polyfills, and then ng build. Alright, so how about, okay, so we will ng build this, see if there are any issues that will come up. Let's remove the dist and then ng build. Yep, there you go again. There's the error again. So all by you make me expected an object. Is this an object? So if you go to this one, what does it look like? Node module. Oh, where am I? Node modules zone.ts. zone. We don't have zone. Yeah, zone.js. Then dist, we don't have dist. Zone min, we have zone min. Zone. Show you off. I'm gonna show you off. What you get. So that doesn't seem to be right. We gonna party like dirty things. Alright, so let's try um the ChatGPT way. So in our ChatGPT polyfills.ts, copy and then put that in there. And then in our architect polyfills build, we'll add this in our polyfills. Architect build polyfills. Let's add that. And then ng build. Show you off ng build. What you got? What you got? Alright, so src polyfills is missing from TypeScript.com compilation. Please make sure it's in your file config files. So how to beat. The error message is missing from file TypeScript. Blah, 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 blah. There's a beauty in a beat. So let's go to our ts config. This is our ts config. Compilation options. Then include. We will include, and then src. Like that. Alright. Then we are going to ng build. Still missing. It's missing from the TypeScript compilation. Alright, so path to missing module. Add the missing file in there. Well, how about this app? Yeah, so maybe we can remove this one here and add this here. And this is going to be the src polyfills.ts. And then here, it's ng build. Alright, so that builds, and then what we want to do is go to our update. So it will PowerShell update. See if this will still work in CloudFront. Right, so let's see our CloudFront if this is still working. Chip. Alright, so still working. Still good. So next is we want to generate the Cognito service, like what this guy suggested here. So let's go to our code and then let's generate service. An ng generate service services Cognito. All right, Cognito. So let's go to our Cognito services, and then first we want to import from Angular common HTTP. Then we want to add the HTTP client module in here. And then in our Cognito, we want to private HTTP client, and then get some, or let's just complete this thing here. So first, let's define the user, the interface for the user. This is the interface, and then yeah, it's adding this authentication subject. Oops, we want to add that in here. So it's a behavior subject, which means that this will behave like a subject. Oh, I'm just kidding. So next is constructor, and we'll add a constructor in here. This will import the amplify, and then import this Cognito configuration. So this is the behavior subject. It's being set as false as the initial value. And then for the sign up, this is the only thing that we want to implement as of now. And then that's the sign up. And what's next? So we will skip all of this implementation and then just focus on the sign up to check if we got it working correctly. So we got a constructor in here. We want to import the Cognito service. So this is Cognito service. And then implements on init, and then implement on init, and then this that Cognito service that sign up. So the user, and then so we want to convert this into an observable to an RxJS. Oops. What's the signature again? So email, then password. Is it enough? Yeah, I just want to email and password. So email is dad Julius, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or no, A B C D E F G H. Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I think that's enough. And so it's not assignable to string. Password string is missing the following properties: code and name. Show password is false. Code is like that. Name is J Napoleon Bonaparte. What is this code? NAP code. All right, so and then we want to subscribe to it, and then next is the result, then console.log result. So when we load this page, we should have a new user, and so let's see if this is going to work. Let's push our code to S3 bucket. We gonna party like burning rain tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya, cause the all I need is a beauty in a beat. Ganahan na sa ko mag ano lang ga, ano steak. Ano steak? Ah. Sunod kay, oh, nagbisaya na ko. Next is we want to refresh this, and it's still working, and we want to check our Cognito. Alright, hope that the session is still good. User pool. Do we have a new user? Nope. No, no, no. Do we have an error? Right, so we got an error. It might be about global again. No provider for E. What's this? What? What are you talking about? So Cognito service, we need to add a provider here because this is already added. Do we still need to add that? Show you off. Tonight I'm gonna show you off. What you got? This is already in for root, so do we still need to add that? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. So, oh, bye. Kasi sudan lang ka. What you got? Nobody's stand. It's between my man, it's my man, my Mr. Jones. What kind of factory is this? Nobody's stand. It's between me and my man, me and Mr. Jones. Is it done? Look. What kind of factory is this? Wait. Du, du, du. Nobody stand is between me and Master Jones. Mm. What kind of factory is this? Ano yung kanta? Ano yung tuwigan ka ba? Aha ka. Alright. 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 Saan na siya? Alright. Dili. Dili. Alright. Naputol ang internet. Wait. Mm. It's okay. Papa's eyes are not are not hurting man. Mm. Nobody stand. It's between me and my man. It's me and Master Jones. Amplify. Should be amplify, right? Amplify. Alright. AWS Amplify is causing this. Universal cookies, Node.js. Is it Cognito identity? Copy. Put this bad boy here. What else? This universal cookie. Put that in here. It's a cookie, it's Papa's work. It's a computer cookie, not a cookie for Vlad. And this one here, AWS SDK copy. Mhm. What kind of fuckery is this? Alright, what else? So I believe that's all. Let's ng build again. We are now allowing this bad boys to use the common JS. I love you. So it's still the same. Cookie. Don't know. Nobody's stand. It's between me and Miss Jones. So first is amplify. We want to. Depends on your ID. See if adding this will remove the amplify. So let's see if we still have amplify in here. Yeah, we still do have amplify. Okay, so this is the one. So we will add this, whatever is causing the issue. Like for example, this one UUID, this one is a low dash. So this ones are low dash related, and then the other one low dash. This one URL. But this doesn't make sense. But let's see if this will remove some of the dependencies. Issue JS cookie. Seems like it did remove our issues. So add this, and then this, and then this. Oh, it already did. We already added it. Um, so this, then 256, 256, 256 events. Oops. Events. Events ULID. Alright, and then let's ng build this. Dum 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 dum. All right, so that completed it. So let's try to upload this. So let's PowerShell update, and this is going to update our Angular in CloudFront. So it uploaded the new files. Let's go back here, and then let's refresh. Hopefully no errors. Yeah, it seems like there are no errors. We go to our user. No users are added. Go to our identity. This one, user access, identity provider, client ID. Yes, it's inactive. Getting started. So it seems like we still have to do some things here. Sign up. Yeah, we just want our sign up to work. Your account has been charged sa do. Umawa ning Monica eh. 45 pesos. Katong kuan lang ka ba? Saan to pag unsubscribe lang ka? Umawa, Ganyan lang eh. Um, Wait. Users. So that means that in our user pool, users, we haven't added anything in our users. See here. So that should be working here. Let's see here. What kind of hacker is this? So yeah, maybe after that, put a error here for the error console.log error. So we'll add a complete. Yeah, so seems like we need to invalidate. First, we just will push another update, then we'll invalidate if this will still not work. Nobody's it's between me, it's me and Mr. Jones. So if there's still no console logs in here, oh, what's this thing again? What is that? Right, so invalidation to the rescue. We are going to invalidate because CloudFront caches our content. And yeah, we want to have this only for the Philippines. So we are going to update our cloud formation later. So let's go to this one here and ask ChatGPT to update the cloud front to use to available only in the Philippines. Oh yeah, see here. CloudFront invalidation completed. So invalidation already completed. Let's see here. No provider for E. What are you talking about? What? R R3 injector error standalone. What? Damn. I think it's just better to use this. What? Invalid parameter username cannot be of email format since user pool is configured for email alias. What's this error? Ugh. Okay, so invalid username cannot be of email format since user pool is configured for email alias. How to fix this? Fire in the night that you wanna deep to beat it. Just beat it. Beat it. So let's try to create another user pool. So email, and then custom. So name is 8, no MFA, email only. Nope. Right, so that was uploaded. And let's go to. So this should be 3. If not, we will invalidate it. Oh. Still 3, so we need to invalidate. Langga, mo sit in na lang ka mag-tutor kay Vlad langga para kay Bunso kay ikaw na yung tutor. Mag-take notes because yan. Uy, nanda sedih. What's si kopyahay? Oh, so we got it now here. So it's now working. All right. So that's it. We'll just complete it on our own here. But yeah, we have it working already, and we just need to polish like the details on how to implement this. But we got the sign up working, and yeah, all of it will follow through. It's like everything, like log in, sign in, log out, will work because sign up already works. So, yep, that's it. Thank you for your patience.